What's good, guys? This is your boy Lil Buja RSA, and I'm not alone today. I'm with
Kanye. Yo RSA.
me, your RSA. Okay, namhlanje guys senza ulanduza hit after hit, amajita ayagwerana yabo. Soqala ngapi manje? Okay, roho basizazi siza shoot. Okay, qala mfethu gwera umjita
Changabuzi ngathi ufeli iphepha le-maths. Uchungubube ngathi ikake betheke ecingweni.
Apologize, I'm continue.
Lento le nayibuza yini dangerous phansi kwamanzi athi ngamanzi anensipho. Isuka lena ndabuza into dangerous yabona isuka lena ndabuza inyoka English athi dangerous spider. Lento le nayibuza inkomo nge-English athi lento le nayibuza inkunzi yenkomo English athi it's inkunzi yenkomo mtshela. Isuka lena ndabuza inapukeni English wathi khuselambo. The way baba khambinga khona egeyithini kubekwe ubuso bakho enzela isikole isibaleke. Ayisuka kuwe ngiqhatha abantu uthi kukho izinja kanti bophela inkukhu ngama-chain.
yayeka
Kokona intshela bani yena echithile unika i-red card. Ayisuka kukho ibhethe ejikelezayo ungacuzanga ngalali. Kokwenu uyarhala xa garanti uKFC nibeke izike emva kwe-TV. Ayisuka i-TV yakokweni inkulu uSuperman Papatha Nxabi. Lento lena ibuza 10 plus 10 athi ziyaphi izitena. Ayisuka kuqhatha abantu uthi ibhanana amathambo. Lento le iqhatha abantu ithi ngapha kwendaba kukho umuntu amagincincishele fish oil. Ayisuka wena kukuyiqomba kuyava kokweni imbizi ne-password. Wom. Khatha abantu bani uthi kokwena kukho ibhurubhuru kanti ubephelela umakhulu wakho ufuza izincwe. Ayisuka kokweni isiqomba kokweni ngithengisela amanapukeni egething palette ezabantwana. Just for best guy ngathi into kabethi bands. Ayisuka limpungu kule ndawo xa uzolula yavula isikhama.
Okay. Siyambona umyarisi akaphelelwa. No baphiwa ne. Phiwa na akaphelelwa guys. I think that's the end of the video. Part 2 coming soon. Khona ne part 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell them.
Please comment and like and subscribe to all of us guys, please.
Life ain't really easy. Raised by a single parent. Mommy's always
Social
busy,
media.
but she always so daring.
Ufumaneka
At the
phi
age of 16, I had to be a man.
Okay, ufumaneka ekhasi lakho.
Nifumaneka ku-TikTok igama lami ku-TikTok Luphiwe Mangena.
Sure. Follow him, guys. Follow him. Dango.